Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of social media and showing you how to start a Facebook page in 2023. Whether you are a business owner, content creator, or just looking to connect with like-minded individuals, creating a Facebook page is a fantastic way to expand your reach. So, let's get started. Step 1. Log in or create a Facebook account. To begin, you'll need to log into your existing Facebook account or create a new one if you don't have one already. Don't worry, we'll guide you through the process, and soon you'll be on your way to creating a thriving Facebook page. Step 2. Navigate to Pages and create a new page. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the Pages section and create your brand new Facebook page. This is where the magic happens, and you can start building an online presence for your business, brand, or passion. Step 3. Customize your page. Now that you've created your Facebook page, it's time to make it your own. Customize your page by adding a profile picture, cover photo, and a compelling description. Let's make sure your page stands out and captures the attention of your target audience. Step 4. Explore page settings and insights. To ensure your Facebook page is optimized for success, it's essential to explore page settings and understand the insights available to you. This will help you make data-driven decisions and refine your page's performance. Step 5. Create engaging content and connect with your audience. Content is king. It's time to create engaging posts, share updates, and connect with your audience. We'll guide you through best practices for creating compelling content that resonates with your followers and encourages engagement. Creating a Facebook page is just the beginning of your journey to social media success. But wait, there's more. In our next video, we'll be showing you how to take your online community to the next level by creating a Facebook group. You won't want to miss it. Congratulations! You've learned how to start a Facebook page in 2023. By following these steps and putting in some creative effort, your page will be ready to shine in the social media world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, so you won't miss our upcoming video on creating a Facebook group. Get ready for the next level of community building on Facebook. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.